everyone, today's video is pretty short and sweet because for this virtual STEM challenge, I have a video for you. What I want you all to do today or this week is create your own boat. And I will show you mine in a little bit. But what I want you to do is find different things around your house to try to make a boat and then put that boat in your bathtub or your sink or your pool and see if it floats. And for everybody that participates, if you put a picture on our Facebook post about this STEM video, you will get to stop by our office and pick out a free book just for showing us your boat. So here's the boat that I made. I just used some tin foil and a pipe cleaner. Mine is pretty basic and boring, and I think that you can make one a lot better than mine. My only rule is your boat has to be completely homemade with all the stuff that you found in your house. Think you can do that? I bet you can. I think this is going to be such a fun challenge, and I cannot wait to see all the different boats that are made. And remember, if you share a picture of the boat that you made, I'll see it, and then I'll tell you to stop by our office and pick out a free book. Okay, now it is time to see if my little boat floats. What do you think? Do you think that it will float? Or do you think that it will sink? Let's find out. My boat floated. But like I said, my boat was pretty plain and simple, and I think you can do a way better job. I can't wait to see all of the different boats that are made. Have so much fun.